Hakini kisngi kita yeu ki benai baladab labun ki bapersya kum ki kan hun sang baper na kathain lamingi kan North East ha ka bala sakhi ba ka kan hun ki samla pule ka school ba North Eastern Hill University Student Union kum shi benta ban persya ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act CAA arhajar ka khandai menta ka singi thoding santarik yayong arhajar apusau kala penlong ka jing ki ka bajai da ka jing menjur ki layami ban pen I ya ka dak da ka batang ya ki dur jong menteri rang badu kari India u Narendra Modi bat ya ka dur jong menteri kampo yeng u Amit Shah bat ha ka ju ka por ki latang ya ki kendon ni ki rules jong ka Citizenship Amendment Act CAA arhajar ka khandai
Illegal immigrants go back! Go back! Go back! Illegal immigrants go back! Go back! Go back! On Narendra Modi down! 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 Amit Shah down! 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 Illegal immigrants go back! Go back! Go back! Illegal immigrants go back! Go back! Go back! Illegal immigrants go back! Go back! Go back! CAA down! 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 On Narendra Modi back off! On Narendra Modi back off! Back off! Back off! RSS down! 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 VSP down! 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 PVP down! 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 BJP down! 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 CAA down! Down!
As a symbol of protest, we burn this. Amit Shah and Modi, Northeast is born in here.
We condemn CAA! We condemn CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Down! Down! CAA! We condemn CAA! We condemn CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Northeastern State condemn CAA! Northeastern State condemn CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Down! Down! CAA!
The student community of Nehu, we extend our hand of support to the organizations of prevailing which are present in the northeastern regions, whereby this protest has been whereby this protest has been started from the northeastern region. And also I extend the hand of support to the student organizations also under the banner of NESO also. Why are we here today to protest against this act? Firstly, if we speak about the commitments that the government has committed in the previous years. If we talk about Assam, it has violated the Assam Accord also. And also, I feel that the northeastern regions, including all the states in the northeast of India, they are not dumping grounds for illegal immigrants. And that also, even if, as notified by the government recently, that the northeast states are not some areas of that all of the areas of the northeastern states are exempted from this act. But then I'll tell you that not 100% from all the states are exempted from this act.
It's not a place. It's not a refugee camp for Bangladeshi to come and settle here. So we condemn Amit Shah and Modi for passing this bill. Now, as a General Secretary and a representative of the NEHSU, we strongly condemn the who strongly condemn Modi and Amit Shah. So we like to show our condemn by burning this.
हम विरोध करते हैं। हम जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हैं इस चीज़ को हम स्वीकारते नहीं है। हमें हमारी जल जंगल ज़मीन की हमें चिंता है, संस्कृति की चिंता है, समाज की चिंता है। तो ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है यहाँ के हम लोग कोई कठपुतली नहीं है कि कोई भी आकर जो है यहाँ रह जाएंगे और हमारी संस्कृति को, हमारे समाज को, हमारे जल जंगल ज़मीन को नुकसान करेंगे। तो हम इस चीज़ का पूरी तरह से विरोध करते हैं और हम जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट है हम इसका आगे भी हमने विरोध किया है और आज भी हम करेंगे। और यहाँ आज हम इकट्ठा हुए हैं, बहुत सारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग हैं और केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग ही नहीं है, यहाँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बाहर के लोग भी हैं। तो इसका हम पूरी तरह से विरोध करते हैं और आगे भी करेंगे और इस चीज़ को हम कभी पूरा होने नहीं देंगे। थैंक यू।